Hello viewers. I shall Today I shall share a very interesting topics, and it is also interesting for everyone, as because my topic's name is now my favorite pastime or my pastime. Actually, in my life there are so many ups and downs, and from my childhood, so my pastime has been changed from time to time. In my childhood, I would usually would play football and cricket very well. Actually, I would play football very much, and I would play better than any other student or any other player, for which many a times I was being hired by other club also to play football in favor with that club, in favor of that club. And many a time I was hired. And up to 12, my favorite pastime was playing football. And at the same time, I was a good player, tabla player. I could play tabla in my childhood very well, and for that reason also, many singer, especially Uchango Sungit. I don't know what is the name of English. Many Uchango Sungit, if they have any problem with their own tabla player, they would normally hire me. They would usually hire me. And there my one relative, he also sing Uchango Sungit, Khayal. And he, in many a case, in many a time, in function, he would take me to play tabla with his song, because if he want to play, hire any tabla badak, he had to pay him, but I was within his relatives, so it was his benefit. This was my this was my favorite pastime in my childhood up to class 12. In the meantime, I was admitted to electrical diploma course, engineering electrical diploma course, and in that time I was studied in another place outside of my home, and for that reason I would stay in the hostel. And at that time I was completely stopped my football and cricket, because there are no so big football ground of my institution. There was a ground, but there are so many players, so many I could not interested. I would not interested. And so at that time I had a new play, that is table tennis. I would very much well played table tennis at that time for few years only during the time of diploma course. After that I joined in college for studying graduate, and at that time I was admitted in the uh, hostel of university hostel in city Calcutta. And so I would not have anything and for my pastime, but I would then engage in a gym, my hostel gym, and in every almost in every afternoon, half an hour or 40 minutes, I would stay and exercise in the gym. And if there is no any work, I I usually would roam in different lane, different road of the Calcutta city, and I normally walk along the Calcutta University the surroundings in College Street area, where I would see various different type of books in different shops. Thousands of shops are there, a book shop, and so it would it was very beneficial to me at that time. In college life, it is very limited, 3 years only. After passing my college education, there was a very big bad patch in my life, and I was completely detached from my home actually, because my father was a farmer, and he compelled me to stay at home and make cultivation with him. And my two elder brothers also, they also told my father, they also give suggestion my father to engage me in the cultivation. But I was not interested in cultivation at all. And so when I see that my father and two my elder brothers are trying to engage me in the cultivation in the village, remote village, and then I, for my own safety, for my own life, I completely detached my home and went outside, went to a friend's house, college friend's house, and there I, within few weeks, with the help of college friends and his acquaintance, I got some tuitioning, and I separated from my college friend's house. I stay there for about 7 days. After that, I was being separated and take a rented house, rented room, and I started my tuition life. And that tuition life, with that tuition life, I completely detached. And also, my father and my elder brothers were so angry with me. They would not even take any information. They would not like to take my information, how I am, whether I am dead or alive. No, for about 3 to 4 months this was happened. After that 4 months they have got the information that I am there, and I am giving I am a private tutor. In that time, my pastime, I was too much depressed, stressed and depressed. I had faced too much depression and stress. So at that time I would usually usually enjoy my pastime uh, by traveling in a nearby riverside, walking about the nearby riverside, which is Hooghly River. And there was a favorite temple also, that name Shamsundar Mandir. And in every night I would visit in Shamsundar Mandir. And within 5 years of tuition life, I got the job. In the initial stage of the job, I would not had any pastime, because it was completely field work. And about 10 to 12 years, 12 years almost. After that, I got promotion and promotion and promotion. Now I do not have to any field work, and field work also now happening is very rare. Uh, and so in my service life, initial service life up to 15 years or 20 years, I would not have any pastime of my own. And now I have big pastime, and I usually spend my pastime by searching Google's internet, YouTube, and sometimes I play with chess with grandmaster in the computer, and listening music of so many artists. And I usually see the cuttings of film cuttings of very old famous film of foreign film. And at present time my pastime is very well spent at MMDC club every day at night, at least one meeting every day. And every morning and evening I take out my favorite dog and roam about the locality with a long stick in my hand. And this is my pastime at present. Thank you very much. Take care. Okay, thank you. Okay.